In this video, we're going to show you how to fix high ping or packet loss on Counter-Strike 2. Right, so there are a few ways you can remedy this. The first of which is to see whether or not the servers are down. So you need to go to steamstat.us, an official Steam status. And as you can see, Counter-Strike API normal. Everything is normal here. And you're going to see for each country from Europe, NA, Asia, and the rest of the world. And you just go to here again, steamstat.us is where it's at. And as you can see here for Counter-Strike, for Steam and just Counter-Strike in general, this is pretty much it. You can just refresh it and see whether or not something changes. Another thing you need to do is go to speedtest.net and test your speed, because again, CS2 is an online game. So if your internet connection is having issues, it's going to affect you in game. It's going to lag. It's going to stutter. It's going to scuff. So make sure to check your internet speed. If it's lower than necessary, try to restart your router. And I know a lot of you know how to do this, so just do that and see if it persists. If not, contact your ISP like what I have right now is 93. I know for a lot of people that's fast, but I'm at like 300, 400. So this is extremely slow, but it still works. And after that, just go to Device Manager and see whether or not you need to update something. So just, for hardware changes, just scan everywhere here and see whether or not you need to change something, or just go to Windows Update, right? And see whether or not there is an update pending, and just click check for updates if there are no updates at the moment. So those are the ways how you can fix this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon to see you on the next one.